Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing the second lesson and that is for operation. And in previous videos we have solved most of the story problems regarding division, addition, subtraction and multiplication. Then in what about today's class? We are going to round off the numbers. Already you know how to estimate the numbers. Estimation and rounding of numbers both are same. But here by estimating we are going to find the sum or a difference of the numbers by rounding off nearest to the tens, hundreds and thousands. Here there is a one example, you have to round off nearest to tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, then we are going to find its sum. If addition means plus sign is there means addition and subtraction sign is there means you have to find the difference there. So here let us take one example from your My Practice Time 6 and that is first main here 26,54,321 plus 12,65,422. So this number you have to round off nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds and nearest to thousands, and after that you need to add the number. So let us solve this example by nearest to tens. Okay, so for this you need to know this trick here, train number 1 and train number 2, train number 1 and train number 2. Okay, so right here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and here what is there 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here there are two trains in one train. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come in the second train. Here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will come. If the number is there in train number 2 means you need to add here 1. Okay, and one more thing I will clear you. See here if you are rounding off the numbers, here 23 is there. Okay, nearest to tens is there means you have to see ones place. For example 326 is there, nearest to hundreds is there means you need to see here tens place and nearest to 100 is there means for example here this is tens over this is hundreds and this is thousands. 2783 is there means you need to see here 100 place. If tens is there means you see ones place, hundredth is there means you see tens place and here thousands is there means you need to see here 100 place. So if you have this basic knowledge then you can solve these examples easily. So let us solve these examples nearest to tens. For time being you hide this all the digits. So what is there, see here in ones place and tens place, that is 21. Okay, then you need to see here ones place, then see the 1 will come in tray number 1 or tray number 2. Yes, it will come in tray number 1, then there is no need to add here 1. So its round off number of 21 is 20. So let us write this number 26,54,320. Okay, so just you have to see its ones and tens place and remaining digits you keep as it is. Next here you see what is there, 22. So here 2 is there, again that will come in tray number 1, then there is no need to add here 1. So right here it's 12,65,420. I hope you understood. Here just you have to see ones and tens place, ones and tens place, and I am rounding off here nearest to 100. So let's add this. 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 6 is 12, 6, 7, 8 and this is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3. So its final answer will be 39,29,740. So this type you have to round off the number nearest to tens. Next what is there here? Nearest to hundreds. What is there here? Nearest to hundreds. Then again you need to see these 3 digits. Okay. In nearest to tens is there no, that time I have seen the ones place. Now you need to see this tens place. Okay, so here I have to see this 2. So 2 is there in tray number 1 or tray number 2? Yes, it is there in tray number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1, and this remaining terms becomes 0. Means its round off number is 300. But don't write only here 300. You write here 26,54,300. Okay, next here put here plus sign. Again you see the next digit. Here 422 is there. Again I need to see here tens place, and there 2 is there, that will come in tray number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1. Then this becomes 4, and this remaining terms becomes 0 0. Next what to write here then? 400. But don't forget to write this remaining digits, 12,65,400. Okay, so here only one example is there, but you need to solve here 3 sums. You have to round off nearest to tens. This is nearest to hundreds. So add here 0 0. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 6 is 12. 6 7 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 39,29,700. Okay, next here you write nearest to thousands. Nearest to thousands. Again see here you need to see this 1000 place up to here, and when tens is there, no, that time I have seen tens place, and here hundreds is there, here ones place, and here I have seen tens place. Now you need to see the 1000 place. So here 1000 is there, means you have to see this 100 place. So 3 is there, again tray number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1. This becomes 4, and remaining terms becomes 0. So write here 26,54,000. Okay, 54,000 plus. Again see here also in 1000 place 4 is there, then there is no need to add here 1, and it becomes 12,65,000. So this type you need to round off the numbers. So add here 0 0 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 6 is 11. 6 7 8, and this is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. See here only one example is there, but I have solved here 3 examples. Means related to this you have to round off nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds, and nearest to thousands. If you know this trick, then you can solve these examples easily. Okay, so here total 6 examples are there already, one I have solved. So the same, but I will take here difference. Okay, and I will solve here now that is D1. D. So what is there D1 here? D1, and that is 89 lakh 43,125 minus here 69 lakh 54,347. Okay, here again you need to round off nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds, nearest to thousands, but here no addition. Here you need to find the difference. So let us solve by nearest to tens. Nearest to tens, and here you need to hide this all the digits. So what is there here? 25 is there. Okay, 25. Then you need to see ones place. It will come in tray number 2. Then you need to add here 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and this becomes 0. Okay, but don't write here 30. You need to write here 89,43,130 plus. Next here see what is there. Again here ones and tens place, see, yes, here 7 is there, so it will come in tray number 2. Then you need to add here 1, means 4 plus 1 is 5, and this becomes 0. But write remaining digits also, and that is 69 lakh 54,347. And while putting a sign, before putting the sign you make sure whether here plus is there or subtraction is there. So here subtraction is there, then find here difference. So 0 minus, so don't write here 47, here we need to write 50, because see here the round off number of 47 is 50. So here 0 minus 0 is 0, 13 minus 7 is 8, 11 minus 4 is how much? See here 11 minus 4 is, yes, 11 minus 4 is 7, and again you take this becomes 13, 13 minus 4 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Next 4 minus 5 not possible, again take carry, 14 minus 5 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 10 not possible, take carry, this becomes 19, 19 minus this 9 plus 1 is 10 means this is 9, 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So here 19,88,780 will be the answer. Okay, next here, that is nearest to hundreds, nearest to hundreds is there. Again I need to see here what 100 digits, means this digits 1, 2, 3, I need to see this place, tens place, and it will come in tray number 1, then there is no need to add here 1, this becomes 100. Okay, again you take here 347 is there, I need to see this tens place, it will come in tray number 1, then there is no need to add here 1, then this becomes 300. But don't forget to write remaining digits. So write here 89,43,100 minus 69,54,300. Okay, so do subtraction here, 0, 0, and 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay, next here take carry, this become 13 minus 4 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Next here take 14, this become 14, 14 minus 5 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Next 9 minus 9, 10 is not possible, take carry, 19 minus 10 is, that is 9. Okay, next 8 minus 7 is 1. So here, see here, so this type you have to round off the numbers. Here 19,88,800. Next you see here, next you need to round off here nearest to what? Thousands. Okay, so here again I need to see this numbers. See here, this number digits you have to see. Here I had seen the tens place, again here you have to see the 100 place. Here 1 is there, so it will come in tray number 1, then there is no need to add here 1, then it becomes 3,000. Okay, then here again see here 3, you have to see 3, again it will come in tray number 1, then there is no need to add here 1, that becomes 4,000. So I write here 89,43,000 minus 69,54,000. Then do subtraction here, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, then take carry, 13 minus 4 is 9, again you take carry, 14 minus 5 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, again you take carry, this become 19, 19 minus 10 is 9, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So here 19,89,000 will be the answer. So here this type you have to practice the examples. See here I have solved first main. Okay, here I have solved first main A and D, and remaining 4 examples you do as a homework. Okay, I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.